Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex Day-Date 36 in platinum with an ice blue Roman dial. Model reference number for this watch is 128236, and the retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $58,950 US dollars. I'll be going over the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The 128236 Day-Date is a 36mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's full size for most guys, but it can be worn by women as it's a unisex size. It's considered a mid-size watch for men and a large size watch for women. The platinum case here is polished to a mirror finish on the sides and the top of the lugs, holding the bracelet here. The case itself is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay if you go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Let's try this watch on for size. For reference, I have just under a 7-inch wrist. We're looking at 6.75 really, and this watch fits me just fine, almost perfectly. All I got to do is remove some links and it's going to fit perfectly, and it's a beautiful watch. It is a heavy watch. Definitely I can feel the weight. The weight of platinum takes a little getting used to if you're not likely to go running with this watch on your wrist unless it's secured. Now for the size of the watch, this weight is surprising. It is a beautiful watch though. Moving on to the bezel, this bezel here is crafted in platinum. Gives this watch that Rolex look. It's an easy watch to recognize, but there's something that things that Rolex does to make sure that platinum models stand out. Now going into the dial here, we're looking at this beautiful ice blue sunburst dial with Roman hour markers. Has sword-shaped hour and minute hands. There's no lume on this dial. The ice blue is a signature color for Rolex's platinum watches. Rolex watch enthusiasts is going to pick up on what they're looking at when they see this color dial. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops magnification window. This window magnifies the window about 2.5 times the original size for easy viewing. You're also going to see the day function here at the 12 o'clock position as well. Moving on to the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, we're going to see how that the day and the date move on the dial. Now in the first position, you can just wind this watch once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. The second position out, it's going to be able to adjust the date. Here you see at the 3 o'clock position, if I'm rotating clockwise, and if I'm rotating counterclockwise, you'll see at 12 o'clock that the day is going to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's really easy movement to work with. Now in the third position out, you're going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands like so. Once you have your hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3255. It has the hour, minute, day, date, and center seconds functions. Also has a power reserve of 70 hours. So you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. It is self-winding, so it keeps the watch wound up while it's on your wrist. Going on to the bracelet here that holds this watch, we're looking at a full platinum president bracelet with a half polish. The center links are a mirror finish, and there's a satin finish on the outer links. There you can see the crown clasp fold over deployment here. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can see how that actually pops onto your wrist, opens up and closes. So this bracelet looks almost seamless with the exception of this crown clasp here. really comfortable bracelet to work with. Now, for those of you who are wondering if the bracelets get stretched out due to it being platinum, Rolex came up with a great idea. They lined the holes for the links with ceramic sleeves. What it does, it prevents the bracelet from stretching out. One of my clients has been wearing his Platinum Day-Date for about 5 days a week for the past 7 years, and it still has a tight bracelet. So that's good news for you guys. If you want to wear it as a daily wear watch, you could do that. Platinum Day-Date 36 with an ice blue Roman dial is an absolutely beautiful watch. Might look a little bit subdued, like a stainless steel watch to the untrained eye, but it is still unmistakably beautiful. For those of you who love nice things on your wrist and you don't want to draw too much unwanted attention, this might be your watch. Rolex Day-Dates come in only precious metals like yellow gold, rose gold, white gold, or platinum like this model. While all of them are pretty hefty in weight, the platinum is going to feel the heaviest. You're always going to know you have this watch on your wrist when you're wearing it. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 128236. This is the Rolex Day-Date 36 with an ice blue Roman dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.